A real short video for you. We get these Parmak solar pack 6 volt and 12 volt units in, both the non-solar and 12 volt battery versions of the Parmaks. But every once in a while we get them in, and it's really hard to see the screen on the front. Well, here's what we do to try to save from having to change things out, because this is a flush mount. They made two different versions. Flush mount where the screen doesn't come through the case at all. That's the current style, I believe. And the older ones, they would come through the needle gauge would come through the screen just a little bit. Either way, when they're out in the sun for a while, they get all oxidated and faded, and it's hard to see, and you can rub on and clean them and stuff like that, but it usually comes back pretty quick, and it doesn't do a very good job. I found some stuff that works really good. It's called Plexus plastic cleaner, protect it and polish. It's made for cleaning plastics and stuff. We use it on different things, but we use it on these too. Maybe buy it at Walmart, auto parts store, or go on Amazon. Maybe you can find it on there, but it's pretty good stuff, and it probably lasts you a lifetime, for a while anyways. Pretty good size can. Shake it up real good. You spray it on there, get a nice little, has a nice little smell to it. Doesn't smell like a chemical smell. Then what I do, let it sit there for a moment. We take like a wire brush, like on a rotary tool, or maybe you can put it in a drill. But it's a little thin wire brush. It's a hard metal bristles on the brush, not that soft, toothbrush type material. You turn it on, and it's going to go back and forth across it. It already looks a lot better. You can actually see it. Wipe off the residue and see there's still a little bit of crap on there still. So we'll do it again. Just let it sit there and do its little thing for a moment. But yeah, it's pretty good stuff. We bought this ourselves. They're not a sponsor of ours, but it you can see what it says. It does all types of clear and colored plastics. Fiberglass, plexiglass, ABS, mylar, window tints, Lexan, all kinds of stuff. So, all right, let's get another scrub across here. Smeared some stuff on there still. Let me get that off there. That was my own fault. Plus, it cleans it all off there. You're basically taking that little outer layer off the thing, just a little bit off there. And also puts like a little coating on there, so it kind of protects it. Maybe keeps it prolonged a little bit. But look at the difference in that. You couldn't even hardly read it before. Now you can see it plain as day. But I like this stuff. Plus, it doesn't stink. It doesn't have a a chemical smell. It has kind of a nice little fragrance to it. So Plexus plastic cleaner, protect it and polish. Pretty cool stuff. Probably use it on your what do you call it? Headlights on your car or your trucks and stuff like that. So probably work good on that stuff too. Good stuff.